It's Monday morning. It's 11:30 right now. It's pretty late. I've been editing this video, so I'm trying to get it out tonight. And I've been looking for orders over here. I just got my first order. I got here at like 10, so I've been waiting for like an hour and a half. And I haven't seen anything except for this 24 miles, 18 items I just got. Someone missed a 138 at Costco at the drop, I think. So there's orders. I'm just not seeing them. I'm not Diamond. So we're still trying to get there. I'm gonna go in there, bang this order out real quick, and I will catch you guys later.
Fast or die too young, die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash cause a good die young.
We just got our second order. It's a 26, 1 mile, 17 items. Anyway, I'm gonna go in there real quick.
Coming back home, long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name.
All right, fam. Sí. Sí. Era 58. Okay. We just got a 58 and somebody here's seen it, so that's what he was telling me. 58, 18 miles, triple, 63 items. It's a lot of items, but I need the triple, so yeah, we're gonna go bang this order out real quick.
I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet, and I put that on me.
We just got another order. It's a $10, 12 item, 3 mile double. Low pay, low miles, 2 orders. I don't even care at this point.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name.
I was on my way back from that $10 and I got a 25, 7 miles single, 17 items. I'm gonna try to get one more order after this one. This order puts us at 136 and it's pretty close. It is 7:53 and I am going home. I'm about to go to the gym, hopefully go to sleep early. We ended the day at 138, which is not bad considering that I sat for like a good 2 to 3 hours. It's 8:36 right now. I was at home. I had just made a plate to eat and I got a notification for a 67 double, 45 items. I think it was like 17 miles. So this order puts us at 205, which is honestly really freaking good considering the day I just had and the fact that I wasn't gonna work anymore tonight.
I might go to space right now. You never come down. 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 Never come down.
Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. I've been at the store since like 7:30 this morning. I just took a 17 5 mile double. So I'm gonna go bang this first order out real quick. I will catch you guys on the delivery.
Remember when I saw you? Hi, it's nice to meet you. You know my old girl salty. She just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese.
I was just sitting in my car editing the video and I got a 43 triple, 60 items, 15 miles. It's a triple, so there's no problem here. For Tuesday, July 9th, we only completed those 2 orders for a total of $62.17. Instead of working on Wednesday, July 10th, I spent the entire day editing. I did not do a single order that day. This is my first order and it's 10 in the morning. It's a 30 double, I think, 5 miles, 20 something items.
I just hope I forget. You said that you love me. Don't know if it's still true. Hate it when you're not here. Love it when I'm with you. You say you don't trust me. All the shit we've been through. Why you always...
We just got another order. It's a 46, 11 miles, triple, 42 items.
Baby, can you tell me why are you so vengeful? I don't understand you. I can't live without you, but I can't fucking stand you. I'm just so obsessed, I should take better.
So it's 2:23 right now and we haven't gotten anything. My friend got a 130 from Restaurant Depot. Someone just got a 69 and we didn't see it. Fun stuff. We love that. We just got another order. This is a good one. It's a really, honestly, this is probably the best order I think I've had since I started filming this video. It's a 55, 34 items, a single, 11 miles.
Bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle. You just want bottle day. Tell me joy, west side. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems.
Alright, so we got a 21, which was pretty clutch.
I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments.
Yo, what'd you get?
Yo, 83.
He got a freaking 83, but he was trying to say 83 if you don't understand. You think I can't take 3 waters in one go?
Shit, I've done it.
I'm about to try it.
When some bitches shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm high, we all tall. Just know I got your back. If you down, then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby. That's right, that's right. Can't control it, but that's life.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. 3 waters at once is crazy.
I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today.
31 6 miles, 9 items.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
We're gonna go in there and bang this order out real quick. It puts us at like 190. It's 7 p.m. right now.
I'm addicted. Baby, I'm addicted. I can feel your love in my veins. I can feel your...
We just got another one. We got an 18, 1 mile, 7 items. These little orders are clutch.
Your love is like codeine. I'm addicted. On my heart, you pour propane and you lit it.
I don't know where everybody went, but these late night orders are really just like, they're everything right now. I just got a 21, 1 mile, 10 items.
I'll be high off you like a pill hit. Yeah, if you ever leave, I would feel sick.
We're not sugar made out here. When it rains, we still work. I guess no one wanted to take this order I just got. It was a 54 18 mile triple, 58 items.
Want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kick. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys leave you topless. It get crazy around here in my section.
We just got another order. Got a 40, 11 miles, double, 45 items. It puts us at $95. It's $2.30, which now that I think about it is not that good, but at least I got an order. All right, so our first order is an apartment. It's like the heavy order, it's the biggest order. I love that.
Our love is like chemicals. I mix my thoughts with her thoughts. She mixed her heart with my heart. Our love is like chemicals.
We ended up getting a 22 or 23, 5 miles, 22 items. Puts us over 100. It's a little late, but hopefully today is like yesterday and we can get a couple orders tonight.
Yeah, rockstar love, we ain't stopping no time soon. We go.
So, you know, I'm just chilling in my car and then I look over. What'd you get?
83, 30 miles, 58 items, triple.
83, 30 mile, 53 items, triple. We just got a 33, 7 miles, 16 items, double. We're gonna go do this. It puts us around 150. Hopefully it speeds up a little bit tonight.
Maybe mom and dad were right when they told me this wouldn't be nothing. Maybe I should take their advice, go get a life, or maybe get a job or something.
I'm about to go home. It is 7:15. I'm starving. That's why I'm going home. If I wasn't hungry, I'd probably stay here until like 8:30. It doesn't seem like there's anyone here right now. So if there's no one here, they should show me something. But anyway, I'm gonna go home. I will catch you guys tomorrow morning if I don't get anything else.
Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like.
What's good? It's Saturday morning. It's 8:34 right now. We just got back from that order that I was doing. It was a 44, 15 or 16 miles. And that was the first order that they showed me. So of course I took it. Yesterday we ended the day at 155. I stayed here until like 7:30. I seen one order, but I was already in bed. It was like 9 o'clock. and I was not going to get up and get dressed for $25. Anyway, I will catch you guys later. I'm about to go get some breakfast. It is 1 p.m. and the only order we've done today was that 44 that we got this morning. People have been getting stuff. It's been honestly pretty good. There's been like 50s, 40s. I just haven't seen anything. We finally just got another order. I got a notification for a 64. I got it. A triple. 20 miles. 40 items isn't crazy, but 20 miles is definitely crazy.
Didn't he until he left? Now I'm dancing around my living room. I get drunk on the thought of you and I, when you were mine. See your eyes in every stranger. I replay the way that we were till I'm high.
You delivering too?
Yeah, you were DoorDash or
Instacart.
from Wigwam?
Yeah, from Wegmans.
Like you used to. I miss you kissing me like you used to, like only you do. You don't even think the devil is good as the
Yeah. They don't understand me, you know. Shut down. Shut down. Yeah. Today I'm feeling anti social. They don't understand me. They say I'm loco. Life is like candy. If you spoiled, love is all dandy.
What is good? Good morning. Today is Sunday morning. It is 9:50 a.m. right now. We just got to the store, and we also just got a $70 double 6 miles, 40 items. This is a really good first order considering I woke up mad late and I literally just pulled into the parking lot. I'll catch you guys on the delivery. Deuces.
If it is a vibe, it's a vibe. Then I turn the instinct, tell her bye. Kinda care about you, baby, please don't cry. I didn't mean to hurt you, baby, yeah, I swear I tried. I'm just way too fried. Today I'm feeling anti.
Story time. We got here, we got that 70. After we got back from that 70, I went inside to get a snack and I got a 103. Like I almost missed it, but I got it. And I went inside to go get my snack because I didn't get it the first time. Got a 51 double, 20 items, 7 miles.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We still at the gas station when the time was cold.
I have not stopped working since I came out. I got here, got a 70, then I got here again, got 100, and then I got here again and got a 50. We're at 2:55 and it is 1:40 p.m. We're doing really good. We started late, as per usual, you know. It's 3:07. We just got a 49 single, 6.8 miles, 22 items. Puts us around 275, almost 300, which is crazy. So we're about to go bang this order out. Bangers today.
I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it. We gon' get back on our feet, and I put that on me. I don't wanna live life fast.
So it's 7:18 right now. We got a 57 double, 27 miles. I removed one of the orders because I was not about to drive 12 extra miles for 6 items. The new total is like $41 for 38 items going like 11 miles. So I would much rather just do the one order and get the $41 than drive a good 30 extra minutes. So this should put us at 316 for the day, and it is 7:15 right now. We're gonna bang this last order out and I will catch you guys tomorrow morning.
I'm coming back home, y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more.